Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy David, and today we're doing something else to the Cobra. Like always, we're gonna keep doing stuff to the Cobra. When are we gonna drive it? I don't know. Don't ask me. What we're doing is some goodies of carbon. Yeah, we're doing all that because we need to do that. That looks really good, so we're gonna do that to that guy right there. Maybe that one. Should we do it to that one or that one? I want to thank everybody so far for being subscribed to the channel and showing me all the love. It really means a lot to me because, like I said, this is a dream of mine that I want it to come true one day. So for everybody that keeps liking the videos, commenting below, I appreciate it a lot. We're gonna get there and we're gonna keep growing together. I'm really excited to keep doing this. We're definitely gonna go ahead and do that stuff to the car. We have to take it apart first. I'm gonna show you guys every single thing you have to do to take it apart and to get started working on it. But if you aren't subscribed already, subscribe. We're about to hit 300 subscribers. I feel like we're gonna hit 1,000 before we know it, and then that's gonna be like a milestone for me. So anyways, everybody, let's go ahead and get into the video. Oh my gosh, everybody, I need to wash this car. There's 4 flies right there. It's probably from the blood. If you guys didn't watch that video, I made a video where I put blood all over this car, and it's probably, I haven't washed it yet. We got 4 flies there, 1 fly there. So there's another one, another one. Look at them. 1, 2, flying everywhere. There's 2 over there. So I ended up washing the car right quick because it was just a lot of flies around it, and I wanted to just for it to be clean. So we washed the car really fast, got it all cleaned up. Now we're gonna get to the main cool part, which is the carbon fiber pieces. We're gonna go ahead and install the center piece. It goes to the piece right there. I'll show you what it's gonna look like. It'll sit roughly like that. All right. Oh my God, it's been looking like a snack and a half. I like that. So we're gonna go ahead and install that. We're gonna use our alcohol prep pad and then the double-sided tape that it brings, and we're gonna get that to stay there. Yeah, you guys, so that's how I did it. I put tape like that. You can copy my style. You can do it however you want. I'm gonna take all the red parts off of it now, and then we're just gonna stick that on and we'll be good. And now that we got it all off, we're just gonna go ahead and stick that carbon fiber piece onto this. And ta-da! We got it on, matching the center. So looking pretty good so far. Now we're gonna go ahead and tackle these pieces, which I'll show you how to get those off. But yeah, that looks really good. I love the way it turned out. Can't wait to get more carbon fiber put on so it'll all just chip in together. Yep, you guys, so I just used a flathead. We shoved it in there to take this piece off. You can use your old hardware, or you can use it with the new hardware that you can opt out to get. I just got it just in case I didn't know if I had it. And then we're gonna use a screwdriver to take the electric components off, use a flathead to take that off, and then we'll just pop the new ones on there. Yeah, you guys, so basically we got it on there. You just have to remove this piece from your old trimming piece, which is right here. My old one's right here. Remove it from inside there. You'll just have to push it out. It might take a little bit of strength, maybe help of another person, and then you're just gonna move it into this one. But as you guys can see, we're running out of daylight. So my favorite thing about making videos, that with the power of editing, hold on, I gotta get my strength up. Perfect, much better. All right, so now that we got some more light, we're gonna go ahead and install the last piece. I don't know what, we're not installing a peach. The last piece, which is the cluster piece right there. We're gonna install that and take that one out. But yeah, you guys can see in the light how much better this carbon fiber just looks in here. So definitely I would recommend any of this products. If you want any of this, you can find it on carbondriven.com. The link will be in the description down below, and you can catch yourself some of this stuff. I believe they make them for different makes and models, I think, like the carbon fiber, so check them out. To start off with this piece, there's going to be a bolt right there and a bolt right there, and then all you got to do is remove this as well. So you'll have to remove this, and then this should just pop out with your fingers. By the way, the socket is going to be a 7mm, so get you a 7mm socket for those bolts up top. So very simple, guys. To get the headlight knob, all you got to do is stick some kind of like little pick inside here and push that metal piece inside of the headlight knob and push that down, and then it'll just pop off of the piece right there. Me In my case, I just used some kind of little pick like this, and I just shoved it in there and pushed it down, and then it just came off. And then now we'll be ready to remove this piece. Just pop it off. So very simple, you guys. You have to grab this rubber piece if yours still has it in pretty good shape. All your clips, you have one here, here, and then up here, and last one's here. You have to grab them from your old one and transfer them over to this. Super simple, nothing hard to do. And then basically you'll be ready to install your new piece. Oh my gosh, I want to just break it. I don't know why, I want to break it. Not gonna do it though. And there you have it. We have it put in now, looking really, really nice. Clean inside there. We have that one. Not gonna lie, I had a little bit of issues with this piece. Very sadly, it's not sitting flush. Don't over tighten it. You could break the piece. I think I broke it a little bit. I don't give a crap. I'm not gonna sit here and complain and try to get a refund or an exchange because it snapped a little bit, but it's just not fully flush. Maybe you guys can kind of see that. You can't even see it on camera, but it's just not sitting fully flush. So, but we got all the carbon fiber put in, so it's all coming in together. I feel like we have most of the pieces. I do want to get these pieces eventually. They're out of stock right now, and the cow panel on the outside. But for right now, I think, yeah, it's sitting pretty well. Guys, this is where I'm gonna end this video though for now. I have to work, you know, I work a full-time job, so constantly having to work. But if you guys like this video, do me a favor and drop a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think about it. If you want any of these carbon fiber products, you can check out carbondriven.com. They sell them for all kinds of Mustangs. But yeah, guys, if you guys aren't already subscribed, just make sure you subscribe because we're about to hit 300. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. I'm getting closer and closer to that 1,000 eventually, but thank you guys very much. Keep it strong. Let's go. I'll see you guys next time.